Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to restore the sections and column in Elementor editor in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using container layout. Now on left side you see layout container. So edit any container. Now you see edit container. So we are going to restore section and column in Elementor editor. Now go to dashboard. Scroll down on left side you see Elementor and then you see settings. So click on it. Now we are in Elementor setting and then you see multiple tabs. Now you see feature tab. So click on it and then you see experiment and feature. Now find out flexbox container. Now scroll down. Now you see flexbox container. So current status active. Now you see drop down select inactive. Now you see pop up. Are you sure? If you deactivate flexbox container you will delete all content. Now you see dismiss deactivate. So click on deactivate. Now settings saved. Go to page. Now refresh the page. Now Elementor page open and you don't see any container. On left side you see inner section. Also you see plus icon. So click on it. Again click on plus icon. Now you see structure. So click on it and then you see edit section. So in this way you can restore section and column in Elementor editor. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.